Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. Today I'll be walking you around this approved used 70 plate Audi SQ5. If you're interested in this model, please don't hesitate to give our sales team a call on 01782 488 205. This vehicle does feature the powerful 3-litre diesel V6 engine, which has an impressive output of 341 PS. The engine works alongside the Tiptronic automatic gearbox, and the Quattro all-wheel drive system is also fitted. This model does feature the LED headlights as standard. They do also work alongside the LED daytime running lights. We also have the 21-inch 5-polygon design Audi Sport alloy wheels, which look great as part of the car's exterior styling. The black painted brake calipers are also fitted. This vehicle is finished in the stunning Navarra Blue metallic paint, which contrasts really nicely against the aluminium door mirror housing, window trim and roof rails, and the privacy glass to the rear and rear side windows. Moving towards the interior, the 5 doors have been finished in the fine Nappa leather upholstery. We do have the diamond stitching across the outer rear seats, and this creates a very premium interior environment to the Audi SQ5. Moving further back, this model does also feature the LED rear lights as standard. We also have the SQ5 and Audi ring badging. We also have the power operated tailgate. This means that by pressing the key fob button twice, the boot lid will open and close automatically. The Audi SQ5 has a very spacious boot, which really does increase the practicality of this car. The rear seats do also automatically fold flat should you require room for larger items. This vehicle is in fantastic condition. It does also feature the rear parking sensors, and we also have the folding tow bar fitted. Towards the interior, we have the flat-bottomed 3-spoke leather high multifunctional steering wheel. We also have the aluminium inlays to the dashboard. And here are the front sport seats, also finished in the fine Nappa leather with the diamond stitching and the S model embossed logo. The front seats are fully electrically adjustable and do feature the 4-way electric lumbar support. We also have the massage function to the front 2 seats, which is a very luxurious addition to the specification. Now this concludes the full 360-degree tour discussing all of the styling options. I'll now move back towards the interior so that we can go through the features and also the controls. The flat-bottom steering wheel does feature the Audi ring and S model badging. We also have the multifunctional aspect so that the driver can control the media, and both displays directly from the wheel. We do also have the cruise control system fitted, perfect for long distance and motorway driving. We also have automatic headlight adjustments, remote central locking, electrically adjustable heated and folding door mirrors, and we also have all 4 electric windows. Here is a look at the virtual cockpit display. This showcases lots of important information in the driver's direct eye line. You can access your navigation, telephone connectivity, DAB, digital radio, or you can even switch to media for a more personalised way of listening. And we can also see all of the car systems and settings, including the mileage count of 13,909 miles, and also your driver assists, including Audi Presense and lane departure warning. We can also change the view so that the rev count is more central, and this is a sporty display specific to the S models. We do also have the MMI display. This will also showcase the MMI navigation with the interactive 3D map view. We can also select previous and favourite destinations, and to input your destinations, all you have to do is simply draw your instructions onto the MMI display. This will then decipher your letters, making it much easier to use instead of having to type or select digits. This display will also showcase your drive select system. You can choose between off-road, efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, or the individual setting. And we do also have access to the Audi smartphone interface with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing the driver to safely use all of their phone's features. We do also have Audi Connect fitted. This is perfect for providing real-time data. This car does also have the front and rear parking sensors, making it much easier to reverse and manoeuvre. This vehicle also features the 3-zone climate control, meaning that the driver, front and rear passengers can all separately adjust their air conditioning temperatures, the direction of the fans and also the intensity of the aircon. We do also have front heated seats which are controlled to 3 intensities. And we also have the USB charging ports, the start-stop button. Here is the touchpad to control the media. We also have the automatic gear selector and the electromechanical parking brake. And as standard, this vehicle also features the Audi phone box with the wireless charging pad. This is perfect for keeping your mobile phone device charged on the go. Thank you for watching this video on the Audi SQ5. As this is an approved used Audi model, you will receive a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. We can also offer lots of flexible finance packages, and for a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please don't hesitate to give our sales team a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you.